What are we drilling? What are we drilling here?
A clamp. Oh, well, I had it in, but I had it at the top, and it would hit this. So I figured if I just turn it around.
So we're clamping for the fuel line.
Right. But
We
got
the wires run through the frame. Got them coming out here. Got them coming out here. So we can run them up into the headlight stanchions now. So you can kind of see wires go down into the frame. So we're getting pretty close to putting the body on. Going down. We have to come back a little bit.
I gotta get this pipe out of here real quick. Somehow.
Okay, minimal massaging, and it's in.
Yeah, I'm glad we moved that.
Yeah, definitely glad we moved that. Was the box gonna fit in there, sorta? It's gonna take a squeeze to get in there, but it'll work.
Uh-oh, Bob! No!
All right, so you're ready to make lists. I see you put a board up here.
Yeah.
We got this, the box is in. This will go in the middle of the box. It'll all fit down in there. It gets cowl lights back here. Got to put a fancy chrome tail light with the backup light. It gets lights up here, cowl lights, but they don't make them in brass.
Up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know. We'll have to see about that. So
What kind of cowl lights? What, I mean, like a...
It's like a lantern style,
Oh, okay.
but they're polished aluminum, so we'll have to really have a talk about that. All right, so we're down to putting the headlights back on?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
I think
Okay, making a plan with wires here.
Yeah. Well, I think I am.
Gonna leave some extras, stuff them back in the frame in case you need a little extra.
Well, yeah, because usually we get the turn signals in the headlights,
Uh-huh.
in the buckets. With them fancy things, we have no turn signals up here, so... But just in case we don't add the turn signal, I don't want to gout my wire up.
Yeah, we don't need to...
Okay, this is high beam. Green's high beam.
Low beam,
That's low beam, so this is my turn signal.
that's turn signal.
I should cap the end with some heat shrink.
Yeah.
And just do something like that, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Just in case.
Just in
I mean, we don't usually do turn signals in the front, but that'll work. One light on, one light off.
One light on, one light on.
Pushing the wires through there.
Yeah, I got my heat shrink
We
on
got some
there.
heat shrink on there to
Hey,
keep
what's
them
up,
from,
Hudson?
keep them from chafing. You don't want no chafing. Bolt them on. Hey, weren't these on before?
What?
These lights?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now they'll be on again.
Yeah. Yeah,
But-
we had no wiring before.
Yeah, they weren't wired before. So now they'll be wired. So it looks like one carburetor. Just doing one carburetor.
Oh, good.
Good. Yeah, that is a good idea.
I hope he goes with some I can't think of the name, but the Holly injection thing, that's a pretty nice system.
Oh, a sniper?
Yeah, the sniper system,
Yeah.
pretty simple. They've got it, it's been around, they've got it figured out. It's a
Oh.
nice system.
We're just going carburetors on it.
Oh, is this carburetor?
Just carburetors.
Well, it's kind of what sniper is, just a...
Okay, so we're getting there. Okay, well, we're getting fenders on now.
Yeah.
Need to get the calipers on there and get some wheels.
Yeah. You got wheels for this?
Not yet, but we're gonna get them really quick. Did you figure out the back ones yet?
No.
No?
No.
Oh, Daryl made them. We'll have to ask Daryl tomorrow.
I mean, I had them up there. I don't hear. That's why I put the fronts on, so I know that they're flat and then they get the swoop at the back.
Right?
So I figured the backs are the same way, right? Flat with a swoop. Like this, right?
Yeah.
So if there's only 3 bolts to go to, you know, the hub bolts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, if I go to this front bolt to that one, the thing sits like this. Is that right?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay. No, I missed
Where did he go?
it.
Gibby's missing under the fender.
These things are kind of heavy.
So it is really heavy. So fender number 4. This would be fender number 1. This would be fender number 2. That would be fender number 3. Starting to look like a car there, Gibby.
Yeah, getting closer.
Yeah, I like it.
I'm loving it.
So we need to get them calipers on there. Get some wheels, tires. Put the windshield on. We're going with one carburetor, so I think we got an intake for that here.
We don't have an intake, yeah.
Start putting that together. I got a bunch of motor parts coming, so they'd be here. Put the column in.
Do we have one?
I don't know. Parts coming in. We'll go look.
Yeah.
But you've got your board up there. We can start making our final list.
Yep.
Oh, it even says Midis Touch on it. Look at that. So here we go. It's the Midis Touch.
Did I spell it right?
I don't. Yeah, I think so. Okay, we got our finishing touch for the night. Is that it? Oh, look at that. Well, that makes a difference.
Woo! Look at that.
Some brass cowl taillights, or brass lantern taillights.
Did you bring the taillights on? Did we have taillights?
I think they're up in the other building.
Yeah, it's gotta have some lights, like you said. That would look pretty cool right here.
Yeah, come off down there.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Wow. Wow.
So we got a
License plate.
this one with the built-in LED light in it.
Got the LED lights.
Oh,
I guess
yeah.
I imagine it's LED. Everything's LED now.
Yeah.
Yep, that's LED.
Well, that's kind of a bummer. My Ford deal I wanted to put there, I guess.
Well, you know what? If we go underneath, we go down. Put it right there. Even down farther. If we put it there.
Yeah. Because I'm on the
Yeah.
Ford thing.
Yeah, we want
That'll
that
just,
Ford thing right there.
Yeah. I mean, here, let me get that. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's it. I know Robin will be watching, so
Yeah.
I think the Ford goes there and the license plate
Yeah,
goes down
hang
below.
down a little bit. Yeah.
That'll all work out good that way. I like that. Cool.
Way cool.
All right.
Hey, you think it would look better? I mean, just fun. No? Too low?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just put it right.
Okay.
Put it on the bottom side of that stripe.
Okay.
That'll be it.
Excellent.